Good morning, everyone. Myself, Meenakshi Bhardwaj, Associate Professor, Government College, Faridabad, Department of Chemistry. Today, I'm going to discuss organolithium compounds. What are organolithium compounds? Compounds in which lithium atom is directly bonded to a carbon atom are called organolithium compounds. For example, methyl lithium, ethyl lithium, butyl lithium, and phenyl lithium. In my last video, I told you what are organometallic compounds. These are a type of organometallic compounds. तो organometallic compounds क्या होते हैं? These are compounds in which a metal atom is linked directly to a carbon atom, and these are called organometallic compounds. The carbon metal bond in organometallic compounds differs widely, varying from bonds which are essentially ionic to those which are largely covalent. The extent of the ionic or polar character of the bond is largely determined by the electropositive nature of the metal. Lithium is more electropositive than magnesium. More electropositive the metal, more is the ionic character of the carbon-metal bond. The reactivity of the organometallic compounds also depends upon the nature of the carbon-metal bond. Generally, the larger the ionic character of the carbon-metal bond, more reactive is the organometallic compound. So in this carbon metal bond, lithium is the metal, and lithium acquires delta positive charge and carbon acquires delta negative charge when polarization occurs. Now we come to method of formation of organolithium compounds. First method is by reaction of an alkyl halide with lithium. When alkyl halide reacts with lithium metal, we get alkyl lithium. For example, methyl bromide on treatment with lithium metal in presence of dihexane and nitrogen at 263 Kelvin temperature, this is converted into methyl lithium and lithium bromide. If we take ethyl bromide treated with lithium metal, same conditions, we get ethyl lithium. On reaction with N-butyl chloride and lithium metal, we get N-butyl lithium. Another method of formation of organolithium compounds is by metal-metal exchange. Alkyl lithiums can be prepared by the replacement of one metal by another. Here, dimethyl mercury, when treated with lithium in presence of ligroin at 338 Kelvin temperature, we get ethyl lithium. Here, lithium has replaced mercury. Mercury की जगह पे lithium आ गया है, तो this is metal-metal exchange. Now we come to synthetic applications or synthetic utility of organolithium compounds. The carbon-lithium bond, as I told you, is more polar Electronegativity difference is 1.6. Electronegativity of carbon is 2.5 and electronegativity of lithium is 0.9. It is more polar or ionic than the carbon-magnesium bond. Alkyl lithiums are more reactive than the Grignard reagents. Now we come to various chemical reactions or synthetic applications of organolithium compounds. Formation of hydrocarbons. This reaction resembles with Grignard reagents. They react with compounds containing active hydrogen to form hydrocarbons. Now in this reaction, methyl lithium on reaction with water gives alkane, methane in this case. And this resembles Grignard reagents. Another reaction is formation of hydrocarbons. Like Grignard reagents, they react with compounds containing active hydrogen to form corresponding hydrocarbons. This we have done. Next is primary alcohol, formation of primary alcohols. In primary alcohols, how these are formed? Aldehydes, formaldehyde, reacts with alkyl lithium and we get, in this case, primary alcohols like Grignard reagents. So this is formaldehyde, taking specific example, formaldehyde on reaction with methyl lithium in presence of hexane. Addition product is formed first and then on hydrolysis, it gives ethyl alcohol. So here, this is primary alcohol. Primary alcohols are formed. They react with ethylene oxide to form primary alcohols containing 2 carbon atoms more than starting alkyl or aryl halide. In this case, we are taking phenyl lithium aryl halide on reaction with ethylene oxide in presence of hexane. Addition products first formed and then on hydrolysis, it is converted into 2-phenyl ethanol. 2-phenyl ethanol is formed in this case. And like Grignard reagents, we can also prepare secondary alcohols from organolithium compounds by action with aldehyde other than formaldehyde. When we take aldehyde other than formaldehyde, formaldehyde के साथ they give primary alcohols और जब हम लेते हैं other than formaldehyde कोई भी aldehyde, for example in this reaction we are taking acetaldehyde, we get secondary alcohols. So acetaldehyde on reaction with methyl lithium in presence of hexane, addition product first formed and then on hydrolysis we get secondary alcohol in this case, that is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, which is a secondary alcohol, is formed. Like Grignard reagents, we can also prepare tertiary alcohols from organolithium compounds by action with ketones. When organolithium compound is treated with ketone, with tertiary alcohol, we get ketones. So on reaction with acetone, with methyl lithium, in presence of hexane, we get tertiary butyl alcohol. Here, there are present 3 methyl groups, 3 alkyl groups are present. So this is a tertiary carbon atom. And we get tertiary butyl alcohol in this case. That is formation of tertiary alcohols from organolithium compounds. Next is formation of ethers. By action with a monochloroether, we get ethers. Monochloromethyl ether. The compound is monochloromethyl ether, CH3O, CH2Cl, with methyl lithium. In presence of hexane, we get ethyl methyl ether, CH3O, CH2, CH3. So we get ethyl methyl ether. Now, another application, or this is formation of aldehydes. How we get aldehydes from organolithium compounds? By action with ethyl orthoformate or hydrogen cyanide, we get aldehydes. In the first reaction, hydrogen cyanide, when treated with methyl lithium in presence of hexane, we get this addition compound. And then on hydrolysis of this compound, we get acetaldehyde, ammonia, and lithium hydroxide. So acetaldehyde, we get, this is the method of preparation of aldehydes. Another method is ethyl orthoformate. That is second reaction with ethyl orthoformate on reaction with methyl lithium in presence of hexane, we get again aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde. पहले addition compound एक बनता है, and on hydrolysis of this compound we get acetaldehyde along with ethyl alcohol. So in this way we can prepare or synthesize many organic compounds from organolithium compounds. These are very important synthetic reagents. Next is formation of ketones. How ketones are formed? By action with any orthoester other than orthoformic ester or alkyl cyanide, we can prepare ketones. So here, this is ethyl orthoacetate on reaction with methyl lithium in presence of hexane. Addition product is first formed, and then on hydrolysis of this product, we get CH3COCH3 acetone along with ethyl alcohol. Formation of nitriles by action with cyanogen chloride. In this reaction, we are taking methyl lithium. Cyanogen chloride is CnCl. Cyanogen chloride. In presence of hexane, we get acetonitrile. This is acetonitrile, CH3CN. Acetonitrile along with lithium chloride. So we can prepare nitriles also. Then reaction with alkyl halides. They react with alkyl halides to form alkanes. Here we are taking ethyl lithium and methyl bromide in this reaction. In presence of hexane, we get alkane, propane in this case. 3 carbon atoms, propane, and lithium bromide. Taking another example, that is phenyl lithium on reaction with ethyl bromide. In presence of hexane, we get ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene. and lithium bromide. So on reaction with alkyl halides, we get uh, alkanes in this case, hydrosaturated hydrocarbons. Reaction with aryl halides. Reaction with aryl halides. Aryl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions by elimination, addition, or Benzene mechanism. For example, we are taking here, this is orthofluoroanisole on reaction with phenyl lithium. Here intermediate benzene is formed, and then on further addition of phenyl lithium, we get 3-phenylanisole. 3-phenylanisole. Taking another example, 1-chloro-naphthalene. This is naphthalene. 2 benzene rings are fused or chloro group present here. So this is 1-chloro-naphthalene on reaction with phenyl lithium. Here also this is benzene is formed, and then on further addition of phenyl lithium, we get these products 1-phenyl naphthalene and 2-phenyl naphthalene. Reaction with heterocyclic compounds. This is pyridine, 6-membered ring, 1 nitrogen is present. This is pyridine. Heterocyclic compounds undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions by bimolecular displacement mechanism. For example, here pyridine on reaction with phenyl lithium at 383 Kelvin temperature, nucleophilic aromatic substitution takes place and product formed is 2-phenyl pyridine. Phenyl group enters at position 2 and lithium hydride is formed. Taking another example, here 1 benzene ring and 1 pyridine ring. This is quinoline. Here, this is condensed ring heterocyclic compound. Pyridine ring is fused or condensed with benzene ring. Quinoline on reaction with butyl lithium in presence of ether. Here we get 2-butyl quinoline. This butyl group enters at position 2, as there was in case of pyridine, phenyl group enters at position 2. So this is 2-butyl quinoline. These reactions, all the above reactions we have done, they resemble Grignard reagents. Another reactions with which are different from Grignard reagents are action with carbon dioxide. On reaction with carbon dioxide, they yield ketones. But the Grignard reagents, they yield carboxylic acids. So on reaction with carbon dioxide, methyl lithium forms acetone. So this is a different reaction from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents on reaction with solid carbon dioxide, they form monocarboxylic acids, but organolithium compounds on reaction with carbon dioxide, they form ketones. And when carbon dioxide reacts with methyl lithium, it forms acetone. On action with carboxylic acids, alkyl lithium compounds react with carboxylic acids, yielding ketones as the main product. They give ketones as the main product. Grignard reagents, on other hand, they give alkanes. So when benzoic acid reacts with methyl lithium in presence of hexane, we get acetophenone. Acetophenone is CH3COC6H5. CH3COC6H5, we get acetophenone. So in case of organolithium compounds, action with carboxylic acids, we are getting ketones. And in this case, acetophenone or Grignard reagent जो हैं, they give alkanes or arenes on reaction with these acids. Thank you.